Alright, so my people, I dey throw away plenty salutation this morning. As I say every Wednesday morning, once I go knack attention at up 9:45, time don't reach for the program. Waiting insurance, they do serve the correct program where they give you correct information. How you fit use insurance, take arrange every of your paro where they reach your Wednesday morning on top Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station, courtesy as Oyibo people go talk am of the National Insurance Commission, NICOM. Na dem tanda gidig gbaciously for our back. They bring this program to now every Wednesday morning. My name na Faith, aka Madam Insurance, aka Oluwa Feto, looking hot since 1805. Forget it, is it your hotness? Una sabi say anytime wey we don show inside studio na to bring correct people wey sabi talk this insurance matter. Let's say dem dey chop isiewu, dem dey chop nkwobi. Today, last week, my guest, traffic, wey him leg and him hand and everything, show inside studio. Today now, God has done it. My guest, he have escaped traffic in the inside studio. This morning I get Mr. Chukwu Ote inside studio wey be confirmed insurance expert. The only comment say is that he speak English, but I drag him leg come here. So together we want to touchlight how insurance they support business, support our economy, support everything wey you dey do. How insurance paro take dey support am. Make una hear him voice. Oga Ote.
Oh, good morning, my people.
Una don hear him voice. Alright, so my people, I still dey throw away plenty salutation. If you just dey join us, the program na Waiting Insurance they do serve the correct program where they give you correct information. How you fit use insurance, take arrange every of your paro where they reach your Wednesday morning on top Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station, courtesy as Oyibo people to talk am of the National Insurance Commission, NICOM. Now then they give us swag, now then they give us muscle on top the program Waiting Insurance they do serve. This morning I dey inside studio with my correct oga, Mr. Chukwu Ote, wey na insurance confirmed certified insurance expert. He dey inside studio, and together we want to touchlight how insurance dey support our economy, your business, everything wey you dey do. How insurance dey aid and dey support am. Na every on top the paro na we want to touchlight this morning. Okay, oga Ote, make we start the paro proper. You know say many people that they believe say insurance na for big people. Na for people wey they go school wey they sabi speak big grammar. Why you think say people dey reason like that, especially for Naija here?
Okay, so the reason why people they reason like that now because of ignorance. So people no too sabi wetin insurance they do, and I know say na one reason why you and even NICOM came up with this sort of program.
Yes.
Make una tell people, educate people, inform people wetin insurance they do. The truth is that anybody will get anything wey dey of value to him or her can always do insurance. In fact, if you get as small as a mobile phone, in fact, if you get even watch, if you get anything inside your house, even if you no get all these things, if you get life, you fit still insure your life. So the reason is ignorance. For people wey sabi, the other reason na skepticism. People they mistrust insurance. People they get doubt. Say this thing wey insurance people they talk if it happen, whether not true. So two reasons: ignorance and doubtfulness or skepticism.
Okay, all right. This insurance, this ignorance and skepticism wey you talk about, so say something no go just happen. Some people sef, when you ask them, although no be them, they go come say, the time when my cousin father this do wey him grandmother, the time when he tell me say, the time when he do insurance, he now come and tell me say the time he have something, the insurance people did not come and pay him the money. So some people they no ever do even do insurance, but that they say you tell me say, and insurance people, if those one go they say we have changed, we are we are changed, we are not doing so again. People still know it's a lie, they are not changed. So why you be say this disconnect? Why you think say they among us?
Okay, so you know say person no go do wetin e no sabi.
True.
So ignorance is a big issue. However, the people where they talk say, you know, where they make reference say my
Cousin.
uncle, my cousin, some of those people were right, because over the years before now we've had issues of, you know, insurance company not attending to, you know, fulfilling their promises.
Okay.
But the good thing be say those things don't pass. In fact, the way it is now be say even Nikon, the industry regulator, they make sure say they fight companies if anything they happen, if there is claim, if you file a claim, even Nikon, if the company they get issue, Nikon go step in. And the good thing again be say companies don't come realize say for us to sell, we must show evidence that we will be able to fulfill our promises. So the issue of whether if it happens, whether they go pay, no even dey there again, because companies don't they do wetin they supposed to, and there are laws that would push them even when they no wan do am. So all those stories of I no wan do because of wetin I be done here, those things now it don't go, that one don't pass. But on the other hand, the insurance companies, the industry, never put themselves out in such a way as to, you know, motivate, okay, in a way to inform.
And they even come to that
yes,
to that
push people
question
to, because the companies they do much in terms of payment of claims, and not be say only payment, then they pay on time. But the industry now needs to capitalize on the claims they've paid over the years to push their message out there. For example, you know, say after the NSAS issue, protest, and the subsequent rioting and all that, and many businesses were affected. You know, so the insurance industry within 1 year paid over 15 billion naira. If you could, as an industry, pay this money in fulfillment of earlier made promises, people like us go feel say, why don't the industry come together, push this message? Now, not be to say, for example, one company coming to say, come and buy insurance from us. You feel do industry-wide advert. For example, do you know that the insurance industry paid this? How many people out there
Oh shit! This Oga say your head is there. They have not doing it.
So, how many people out there know say
they
pay this kind of money? If you had done this, which has been the issue people had, that you weren't paying, why don't you push it? Moreover, the NSAS issue has been on the front burner. So why don't you use it and push it and let people know that you are paying? So you look the people where they talk these things, they rise more. But then the narrative has changed. But then the industry operators need to push the message more.
Okay, Oga, you see, I hail you as you talk that thing, because many times where even us wey be journalists for this insurance industry, where you go they tell people, those wey dey close to you go say, you madam insurance, you sure say that they pay? They pay now. You sure say that some they go get that doubt, they'll come do am. Something go come happen, they'll come pay them, they'll come and say, this insurance they work. But the part where I won't go say, the majority of our population, they no believe in insurance. They no believe say so many people won't do insurance if they understand that. Again, waiting you first talk that I say you no go do waiting you no know, waiting you no understand. But the question why I will ask you, why it be say even those way they do the insurance as their own business, they know they try. When it comes to even advertise, do people some other sectors where their market easy for them to even sell. For like bank, for example, like all these telecom people, their market dey easy for them to sell. We need them. You need to make call, you need to do data. But you go see say those one, upon not say their market easy for them, so more people for Nigeria they use their product. But every day, TV, radio, everywhere they dey your face. Come and do this one, come and do this one. But insurance way, their market itself is a hard market.
Is it a hard market?
No, it dey hard to sell na to convince. But even that say their own e hard, they know they push am for our face so that we go see am every second. Why it be like that?
Okay, so you know say for Nigerian insurance market na market wey na brokers dey control am. So na more of what they call brokers market. In fact, businesses coming into the companies is more than 80% from brokers. You know, so the companies, yes, are a bit lazy and docile, doing more of armchair marketing. Now, companies in the industry be the one.
Oga Ote, see this your English. You are using it to I don't know how to translate that word for Igbo. This armchair means that they sit down in their office and collect AC. That is meaning of armchair where my insurance define it. They will sit down in the office and AC will be bladed. They don't want to go out and be doing marketing of telling people.
Yes,
continue.
Now, yes, some of them they come out, they tell people. Like you talk, the business na marketing where you suppose push people. No be marketing where people you go sit down, people go walk in, especially in this sort of environment, in this part of the world. Now, market where you go come out, push people, preach, inform, educate, use other programs, you know, for example, this. And again, the industry, they make they try, but their effort has not been good enough. The industry this particular month, the industry will do a roadwork show. All those things not to inform people. But you know, say the country, not be only say people no one buy, not be only say people know they see the need. But when you also have people where be say their disposable income, they small. The people do not really get insurance as one of the things they feel do when one money where they know they use do anything come and that money fee no come. So the industry here need to do more in terms of pushing the market, but then the people's disposable income is also a bit off. If person ask what insurance they do, my question will always be what insurance self no they do. What you know they do. Insurance they do a lot. So, but for the issue, you know, it talks say it be insured with Niger Insurance. Is actually quite unfortunate. But what I will say is to say na a fresh case, I for say make a right to NICOM. If you even write to the Industry Trade Association, Nigerian Insurance Association, those people go fit push am. Yes.
You know, say for this Naija wey we dey so, you go see pepper seller. He get Android phone. To come see people wetin dey put value to money no dey go come out. If you value that thing, money go come out. So my point be say even low income people, they buy expensive phone, buy up because they see value for this. Why it be say insurance never fit develop their business to that extent where people go now see value, so that in the midst say na small income wey dem get, like other countries, for example for Africa, like South Africa, na you go see household wey dey even poor, they don buy funeral insurance. Dem money dem go get that money no dey, that funeral insurance they go don keep am aside. So why they never develop this market to the extent wey our people go dey see value, so that money no dey because e dey important. They go bring am money take do insurance.
Okay, so the industry don dey try innovate policies, especially tailored towards those people wey you mention. Now, at times if you buy a phone in some selected vendors, you sef fit no know, but some of them go ask you whether you need insurance. Now, those products, as if you package insurance with a product, for example, if you want to buy a particular model of television, especially those ones wey dey cost, the vendor fit factor in insurance. Some of them go ask you, do you need insurance? More insure. So if you package am like that, even person wey no wan buy go buy. Even person wey no, some people no go know, dem go pay. They don pay, they come know say if it be when issue happen with the phone, say a screen damage, you go there make you do am, dem go tell you say, see, you get insurance. Now the point be say the industry needs to innovate products. There are products that the man on the street needs. It could be a bit different from the product where the man in the office needs. For example, the man on the street may not need motor vehicle insurance, but if he needs phone, the one wey go cover phone. So when phone started, the industry, most companies go into insuring phone. But what happened was that the claim ratio kept going up, because person, if you go do all risk insurance on phone, person fit come back tomorrow tell you say they don't steal am. What do you need? For you to process the claim, the most vital document is to provide a police report. The person go get am. Meanwhile, e don dodge im phone. But it's different from motor wey be say if you come report say your car has been stolen, we ask you to bring an interim police report. If after today, after 90 days, we ask you to get final police report. Now, before police go give you final police report, they for don radio all their formation, say this particular vehicle, they don thief am. So even you no fit dey drive the car wey you understand, because if anything na fraud issue. So the people make am, the claim come dey go up. Now wetin make companies come lower their guard in terms of phone. Now what companies came up, what they innovated was to cover only screen damage.
Okay.
Yeah, but the problem again, na say the companies are not pushing this to the
public.
Many people don't know say you fit cover all this screen damage for phone where you buy maybe 100k. If it be say you go pay premium of, say, if it is 2% or 2.5%, as the case may be, you fit dey pay 2,500 to cover am for 1 year. Or even if na 5%, it can be 5,000 to cover am for 1 year.
Then if the screen damage where you know
take am, they change am. Now Samsung screen where you for pay say 160k, you go there, they do am for free. So now say they never push am. One, people never too understand them. People are still ignorant. You will not take that away. And how do we cure ignorance? Is by shows like this. But much more than shows like this, to go to the street and push this narrative that insurance. For example, this week I bought a new laptop. And the next day I did insure. I added it as part of my householder. Because the money wey I take buy this, if something happen to them, I no sure say I fit
quick get that money again,
more the money go buy am the next day. So I go give the risk dey with insurance. If anything happens, insurance go pay. So now the problem, as I say, na say the industry don't know, they need to innovate more policies wey go take care of some of these things that make for inclusion. People go come in. Again, they need to push to the people values, wetin the benefit they fit derive from insurance. Because person like I talk, no go do wetin you no know.
You know. Okay, oga, make we come to, say we don say this topic na how insurance dey arrange am, dey take help us, dey take support business. Make we come to our own our people, market women, market men. You know say for Nigeria now, almost everywhere you go hear say this market fire don burn am, all the goods don burn, Aba, for Kano, for this place. If market don burn like that, you go see our people, the traders, they go come dey cry, they go TV go dey do interview. We need the government to come and help us, we need the government to come and help us. At times government go come say don't worry, we will help you, we set up committee. They go set up the committee, 3 months 6 months the committee still dey meet, dey drink tea on top people goods wey don burn. Later, after committee don decide, cause okay, you get shop for that market wey burn, government say make we support you with 100,000. Maybe goods wey burn 2 million, 3 million, but our people, they still never understand how they fit use insurance take dey support, like those ones wey dey even do business, dey sell market, Lagos, Onitsha, Port Harcourt, all over Nigeria, Kano, wey all these fire incident dey happen. Why e dey like that? And even insurance too, they never really, you never really dey see them dey go into that aspect.
Okay, so is most unfortunate when fire incident happen, especially when it affected someone's source of income. If na house, we say okay, your business still dey, you fit buy am back, but when it affected where the money dey come from, it dey very, very unfortunate. And the truth is, while we may not blame the trader, say fire incident happen, while it may not be his fault, but we feel say, but you no try, you for take step to forestall such a, take step to make sure say if this thing happen, somebody fit come help you. And who fit come help you? Na insurance. Now, I no go talk say the people no too know about this insurance thing. Yeah, we need to push more, but people get small ideas, say insurance dey. And I know say at times some companies go gather people, go into the market, shout, make noise. Now for people to take advantage of the insurance. Just like last week, the Akpongbo fire incident happened. People, you go see say insurance companies will need to start shouting, using it as an example. Especially if you get 1 or 2 people for the market, for Akpongbo, where in shop got burned.
And they get insurance.
So if you fit settle the person on time, as in pay the person back on time, you fit use am run advert. But what has happened over the years is, even when you try do am, the people in Nigeria still know for them, God will take care of, yes, all this thing, say nothing dey happen. And you know say now when the thing happen, you go now see say you do on your own. Yeah, God dey for you.
Alright, now there we go back break on top the program. My name na Faith, aka Madam Insurance, aka Oduwa Feto, looking hot since 1805. Don't forget to follow me on top our Instagram handle, Twitter, Almond Finance. My own personal self IG na insurance_madam. Until next week, my people, make una get better day. Bye bye.